Want to open any PDF in your SwiftUI app? Let me show you how in under 10 minutes. This is the application that we'll create, and this is the PDF. As you can see, we can scroll up and down. We can minimize it as well. And include a little bit of zooming. So this is the feature we'll be creating in today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. Within your content view, enter the following: import PDFKit. The purpose of using the framework PDFKit is to enable the PDF view and the PDF document to be functional so that we can view and manipulate our PDF if needed. The next thing we need to do is to create a new struct. The name of the struct is called PDFKit view, and it will also implement the UIViewRepresentable. We also need to include a URL for the PDF, the location where the PDF is located on the device. And we also have to make sure that the PDFKit view includes the methods that are required from the protocol. So we need to add the following stubs. No, we don't need to add that one. That's incorrect. No, we just need to add func make UI view. And the view that we will be returning using some view is PDF view. So what we're doing here, we will create and configure the underlying UIKit view using the PDF view. We then create a new instance of the PDF view, which is called PDF view. We also need to make sure that the PDF is scrollable. So we call the auto scales property and enable it to true. Now that's incorrect. The auto scaling property should, how it works is that it enables the PDF to fit the whole screen. So we need to enable that to true. That's what we've done, so that's correct. The next thing we need to do is to set the PDF view display direction equals dot vertical. And this is the part that enables the scrolling. The PDF view dot display direction equals dot vertical. So it sets the scroll direction to vertical. You can also set it to horizontal if needed. So we can scroll up and down the page or left and right if we set it to horizontal. The next thing we need to do is with the PDF view instance, we need to set the document so that the view isn't empty, and we'll display a PDF using the passing URL. And then we have to return the PDF view to the caller. Just compile it, just to make sure everything is okay. I think I missed out a property. So on lines 15 or 16, we need to add let URL equals to URL, which will include the URL of the PDF file to display. Must have missed it out, I thought I included it. That should be, let's put it at the top. On line 14. Let me compile it again. Don't know why it's not compiling. Let PDF view equals PDF view. That's correct. Oh, we did need to generate extra functions or extra stubs. There's an empty stub that needs to be there. And the purpose of the update UI view function is to enable the actual PDF document to be changed dynamically, so the actual text on the PDF can be changed, such as the content or the font size or whatever you want to change on the PDF. Add your own images, that can be done there. But in this tutorial, we're not doing that. So just leave that there as the default. Let's move this again. I want this to be at the top. Are we missing anything else? I'll just compile it. Seems like we're missing a bracket somewhere. Yeah, after line 33, there should be a bracket. When the struct. Let me compile it again. Yeah, the tutorial is taking longer than expected. But that's what happens sometimes when you're doing live coding. So what else do we need to do? So within the content view, we need to add the code that will display the actual content of the PDF. line 39 we can delete. So we need to add the following: if let URL equals to bundle.main.url. So now we need to get the resource. We need to get the file location. Let's call it sample. The extension, which is PDF. So if the PDF file has been found, then we will attempt to display the PDF. Using the PDFKit view. We need to type the following: edges ignoring safe area. All, which will extend the PDF view to ignore the safe area and fill the entire screen with the PDF. Else, if the PDF cannot be loaded or some error happens, we just display the following: PDF file not found. And we display the error using red text, so the foreground color will be red, not red. So the next thing we need to do is to add the PDF to our project, so we can just drag it. This can be any PDF. Make sure copy items, if needed, is selected, is ticked. And make sure your target is ticked, which is the current project. And then just click on finish button. Now we can try to see if the application works. So we just run the project to see if it works. So this is the PDF. You can zoom in a little bit, just double clicking on the PDF. You can zoom in, you can scroll down, scroll up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.